Hey everyone, welcome back to Kaleidoscope Art Club. My name is Kale. Today I'm going to show you a really easy way to draw these adorable little guys. To get started, I'm just going to come in and draw a little branch for our guys to stand on. You can draw this branch however you'd like. I'm just going to keep it pretty simple. And we can add some little leaves. The easy way that I find to do it is just to draw kind of a heart shape. And so we can draw these anywhere that you feel would look natural. So now we can move on to the little birdies. So an easy way to do this is to draw basically like an oval shape or an egg shape for the body. So let's go ahead and put one down here. I'm just going to do one right in the middle. About like that, and it can come past the branch because we're going to end up erasing our pencil lines before we color in. So that's quite okay. So let's move on now. In the middle for our beak, all we have to do is draw a circle somewhere towards the top. And then all we need to do is add a rounded sort of a V shape or a U shape. And then for the eyes, we'll just draw kind of like another oval shape. Same on the other side. And we'll go ahead and draw a couple circles in the corner. This will be for our highlights. So we'll fill in the eyes. Okay, and then let's go ahead and add our wings. So a really simple way to add the wings, just start up about in the middle of the beak there. Come in through the body and then continue with the same line on the outside. We'll repeat that on this side. Just like that. And then we can add some indications of feathers. And then let's add our feet. So for the feet, again, just some simple circles. Just like that. And then we'll add 2 lines to indicate our toes. There we go. Now on this bird, since he's looking forward, you're not going to see his tail in the back. So this bird is pretty much complete. So that's pretty simple, right? Every bird doesn't have to be facing forward. You can do some that are kind of looking at an angle. So we'll do that by drawing the oval leaning in one direction or the other. So let's start right about here. Like that. And since he's going to be looking towards the bird in the middle, we can put our circle more towards the outside instead of in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. Just like that. Go ahead and add our eyes. This one you're not going to really see much of the eye, so we'll just make it more of a long oval shape. Something like that. And then we'll go ahead and add his feet. So 2 more circles. This one we'll just have sitting on the branch. And we don't have to erase the line that's going through the feet right now, because we're going to go back over it with a sharpie, and then we can erase over that. So we'll go ahead and add our wings. So this time more of our wing is going to be showing up instead of being on the side, so we want to make our wing shape a little wider, and we don't have to connect the top here. There, so this one we will see a tail because he's at an angle. So what I like to do is just follow the shape of our oval bottom here. Come on up. Stop there. One more. And one more. Now we can draw our lines for our feathers from the middle. And that's it for that tail. So let's draw one more bird on the left side here. We'll have him facing in towards the middle again. So again, we'll have the circle for the beak a little bit more towards the inside. Same with the U shape. We'll add our eye, our highlight area, and then we can fill it in. We'll add his wing. Now his feet. And lastly, his tail. There we go. So now we have 3 cute little birdies sitting on a branch. So let's go back in with our Sharpie and we will do our outlines. Okay, so there's our cute little birdies. So let's move on and fill in our branch here. Okay, so now for the fun part. I plan on doing a blue bird, a red bird, and a purple bird. And there we go, there's our cute little bluebird. So I'm going to continue the process on the red and purple bird. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.